Sajida's kitchen. Hope you all are watching my videos. For those friends who have not subscribed me yet, please do watch my video at least for 3 minutes without skipping and then click on the subscribe button. So today I am going to show you a famous Maharashtrian breakfast recipe, that is Kanda Poha. Kanda means onion, and it's a beaten rice recipe where we have used lots of onions and prepared it. So let's get started and see how the recipe is. Ingredients required to prepare Kanda Poha are 3 big onions, curry leaves chopped, 6 teaspoons of sugar, turmeric powder, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, peanuts, few, salt 2 teaspoons, lemon 1 lemon, coriander chopped, green chilies chopped, and the poha, which is known as the beaten rice. So in market you get 3 types of poha, beaten rice. One is medium, thick and thin. Here I have taken medium. So you can see the thickness of this. It's medium. 2 bowls of poha you can take. Now I am going to wash the poha. So I have taken a strainer here and kept a bowl beneath. And now I am going to wash the poha. If you want, you can take a bowl, you can put water into it and then you can wash the poha and drain off the water. But because I have taken the medium poha here, medium thickness poha, so I am going to directly do it into the strainer, or else the poha will become too soft. Now we'll keep this aside. So now let's start preparing the Kanda Poha. I have taken a pan here, I've lighted this. Now I'm going to add the oil. So I have put here 1 tablespoon of oil. So now the oil is heated. I'll add the mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and then I'll add the curry leaves. Then I'm going to add the whole peanuts into this. We need to roast the peanuts until the color changes to a slight golden brown, so that they are crispy. Okay, now you can see the peanuts have turned into a slightly brown color. So now the peanuts are roasted properly. Now I am going to add the onions. Kanda Poha, we majorly use lots of onions into this. So I am going to add the onions. Just saute it. Now I am going to add the salt to this. Saute it for 2 minutes until the onions are just slightly transparent. You need not cook the onions completely, because if the onions lose that crunchiness, the taste of the poha won't be good. Now I'm going to add the turmeric powder to this. Just saute it for 1 minute. Now add the green chilies, chopped green chilies to this. Again saute it for 1 minute. Now I'm going to add the poha, the beaten rice, the washed and soaked beaten rice into this. Now let's mix this. Mix it properly. Let's squeeze a lemon into this. Now I'll add sugar. Let's mix this. So the sugar and the lemon what I have added here, this will give a nice tangy, sweet and salt flavor to this. So when I have mixed the poha properly, we'll cover it and keep the flame on low and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. The Kanda Poha is ready. Yes. The Kanda Poha is ready. Now I'm going to just garnish it with coriander, the chopped coriander. Now let's mix this. Let's serve it. So friends, hope you like my Kanda Poha recipe. Please do try this and share your pictures with me. I'll share it to my Facebook page. So please do like, share and subscribe my videos.